This is Diecast channel, and in this video I'm going to show you this 1970 Ford Torino GT made in a 1/18 scale by ERTL American Muscle. So if you like Ford Torinos, see this video thoroughly because this car is worth seeing. As usual, I take a look at some books. I have this catalog. The 1970 Torino had a 351 250 horsepower engine. And here's a Torino. It's got those mag wheels that look very nice, and it's on the base. The box is quite destroyed, but the base is pretty much intact. So we're going to remove this car from the base so we can take a better look at it. The Torino is a very nice sports car, and those lines remind a little of the Australian Falcon. The front grille has got this square mash with the Torino logo at the tip of the hood. The mag wheels look very nice with the chrome trim and Torino in the rear fender, the rear quarter panels. Rear tail lights are very nice and go all the way from one side to the other. And the interior, it's all made in black. The hood's got this hood scoop. The mirrors look nice, those sports mirrors. The painting quality is not the best one. And there's also this black curtain in the rear window. And the rear end of the car looks very nice. This black curtain looks nice, the tail lights and the dual exhaust. Trunk lid. And the trunk with a spare tire, a jack. The inside of the trunk, which is made in a black plastic with a texture. That reminds the ones in the coatings in the real cars. I really like those tail lights, and the trunk shuts correctly. And the Ford logo at the tip of the trunk looks very nice. The lock is cast in metal and painted on. We open the driver's door and we take a look at the interior with seats that tilt. All made in black. Black plastic. Wheel steer, as we can see. There's a floor mat, and we can see the pedals. This is a mechanical transmission. The buttons and knobs and gauges are there. The steering column and the gear shifter right there in the central console. Door panels and inside panels, the back seat and the front seats. Look simple but nice. They have no seat belts. There's a little cast marking in the seats, but it's okay. Paint looks a little shabby, but the lines are nice. The chrome trim is nice. It's a piece of plastic, and the ones around the wheel wells are painted on. A Torino logo at the tip of the quarter panel with a rear blinker. Wheels. I really love those wheels. Trim is a separate piece. And the tip of the front fender could use a little wet sanding and polishing. Front grille with a smash and a Torino emblem tip of the hood. Front of the car looks nice. This got a very nice design. Grille's got this square mash. It's not a grille, but well made. A Torino logo is painted on. And the hood opens correctly. As we open it, we can take a look at this engine. With a chrome air filter, it's made in blue. It's got a distributor, some cables and hoses, but no spark plug cables, for instance. Brake system, there's a reservoir and battery, radiator and front panel, a caution fan, warning sign, and that's it. The hood is pretty good, though the hinges are a little thick, not that thick. The engine bay is pretty good. It's according to the older ERTL models. Hood shuts correctly, but there's still a little gap, needs a little adjustment. To air intake, they're fake, but they're very good. Passenger side. As we open the door, we take one more look at the interior. It's all made in black. Central console with a gear lever, glove compartment, a dashboard, buttons, knobs, air outlets, passenger seat. There's a little headliner simulation. It's made in the acrylic. Same place of transparency. Floor mats in the rear as well. back seat, door panels, side panels. The bottom looks good. It's made in plastic and black plastic. We can see the engine and tranny. It's a pretty nice color. Front axle, tranny and drive shaft, mufflers, gas tank, rear axle, a floor. This is a unibody. We can see the wheels and tires, which are pretty good. The engine and tranny look pretty much realistic. And right collar, the tranny and the drive shaft look good. They're all fixed. There's no working suspension. There's no spin-in drive shaft. The tank looks good. The exhaust looks good. I'd like to thank you for all likes and views. Please let me know in your comments what you think about this car, what you think about this video. And as usual, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.